12 London merchants refused to convict an innocent man. The judge locked them up for 3 weeks, without food, without water, without fire. They held the line for us all. It is called Bushel's case. Their foreman was Edward Bushel, a London merchant. The year was 1670. A meeting was held in Gracechurch Street, a Quaker meeting, which the law had banned. So when the soldiers heard, they arrested William Penn and William Mead. They were charged with unlawful assembly. They were taken to the Old Bailey. 12 London merchants were sworn to judge them. The recorder told them what verdict to return. The jury returned a different one, not guilty. The recorder refused the verdict. He sent them back. They returned with the same verdict. And again, the recorder fined them 40 marks each, but they refused to pay. So he sent them to Newgate, without meat, without drink, without fire, or even tobacco. For 3 weeks, they held the line. Bushel applied for habeas corpus, and the case came before Chief Justice Vaughan. He ruled that no jury could ever be punished for its verdict. The jurors walked free, and every jury after them carried the line that 12 London merchants held in 1670. At the Old Bailey today, their names are carved into the wall. The stones remember. They were Englishmen who held the line. In spite of every opposing force, that is the spirit of Britain, and they are not the only ones. We built the world's freedoms, charter by charter, jury by jury. 12 held the line for us. Help us hold it for our children. At proudofus.co.uk/support. Be part of us. Be proud of us.